Hello everyone, welcome in Crafting Wheel channel. Today I will show you how to make a crochet rings and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. To make that a crochet rings, I will use Elise Rico essential yarn and hook number 2mm as shown now. Let's start. I will start round 1. I will make a slip knot as usual. Then make 6 chains and close with slip stitch to make a ring. Then make 4 single crochet stitches into that ring as shown now. Then make 4 half double crochet stitches into the ring also. And make 4 double crochet into same ring as shown now. Then make 4 triple crochet stitches into same ring as shown now. Then make 2 double triple crochet stitches above first single crochet of the previous row as shown now. Then make 2 double triple crochet stitches into the next stitch as shown now. Then make 2 triple crochet stitches as shown now into that space, into that stitch. Into same stitch, I mean. Then make 2 triple crochet stitches into the next stitch, 2 triple crochet stitches into same stitch as shown now. Then make triple crochet into the next stitch as shown now. And make 4 triple crochet stitches into the next stitch, into same stitch I mean. Then I will make 2 quadruple triple crochet stitches into the next stitch, into same stitch, then cut our yarn and fasten off. Then I will join the earrings hook as shown now. Now I finished that crochet earrings and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like this video, and if you have any question don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.